Good morning, geometry. We're still working on trig. We're going to start putting these trigs into real world situations. In other words, story problems. So the hard part about this is making the drawing fit with the work. So I'm going to do a couple for you. The rest will be homework. You also have a Delta Math assignment for the weekend, which will just be inverse trig, and seeing how quickly we can get those. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Turn this off so I can flip. Okay, apparently not. You get to look at the ceiling. All right, boy lets out 300 feet. So we've got a boy, 300 feet of kite string. So kite string is going to go like that. And it makes an angle of 38 degrees. Go away. Okay, 38 degrees with the ground, so that's a 38 down here. If the string is straight, how high above the ground is the kite? So we're looking for the vertical height. So our triangle looks like this. Okay, so if we have this, we're trying to find, we have hypotenuse, adjacent, opposite. We're trying to find the opposite side. So we're going to use sine, because we have opposite and hypotenuse. This is regular trig, not inverse. So sine of angle measure, sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, which is x over 300. Okay, for this one, you're going to multiply both sides by 300 times 300 times 300. So you'll type in 300 times the sine of of 38. 300 times sine of 38. It's 184.7. So that makes sense in the problem. 184 feet in the air with 300 feet of string. That works. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. A ladder leaning against a wall. So we have a wall and we have a ladder leaning against it. It makes a 74-degree angle with the ground. All right, well, the wall is going to be perpendicular to the ground. So that means our 74-degree angle must be over there. If the foot of the ladder is 6.5 feet from the wall, here's the foot, so this must be 6.5. How high on the wall is the ladder? So we're looking for this. They didn't ask you how long the ladder was. How high up the wall? So this is going to be a tangent problem. Tangent of the angle equals opposite over adjacent. So this is another, multiply both sides by 6.5 times 6.5 times 6.5. And I got 22.7. Okay, so that's a tall ladder. It's 22.7 feet up the wall. Okay. So this is how these problems are going to be done. Be careful with your drawings. Make sure everything makes sense. And obviously, if we have any trouble, we'll talk about it at the meet. See you then.